Hi students, now we discuss about progressions. In these progressions, there are two types, arithmetic progressions and geometric progressions. Now let us see bullet points from progressions. Now, from arithmetic progression, it is in the form of a, comma, a plus d, comma, a plus 2d, comma, so on, a plus n minus 1 into d. This formation is known as arithmetic progression. That means each and every term is increased by some value d. That d is called common difference. Common difference is d. That means second term minus first term or third term minus second term or fourth term minus third term and so on. Here first term means a. It is denoted by a1 or t1. Last term denoted by L is a plus n minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. It is denoted by an or tn. It is also called general term of the arithmetic progression. Here one more formula, Sn, sum of n terms in AP is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Also we can write it as n by 2 of a plus l. So this is about arithmetic progression. Now let us discuss about geometric progression, that is GP. This progression is in the form of a, comma, a into r, comma, a into r square, comma, and so on, a into r to the power of n minus 1. Here in this progression, every term is multiplied with r. So that is called common ratio. Common ratio is r. That means a2 by a1 equal to a3 by a2 are equal to, and so on. Here first term is a, which is denoted by a1 or t1. Last term an is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. A into r to the power of n minus 1. It is also denoted by tn, nth term, and it is called general term of geometric progression. So these are the important points from progressions. Now let us discuss previous problems. Now, previous problem 2019 March. Radha says 1 comma 1 comma 1 and so on are in AP and GP. Do you agree with her? Give reasons. Here the given series is, that means given that 1 comma 1 comma 1 and so on. Here she says that it is in AP and GP. That means we have to verify common difference and a common ratio. Let us see. Here, first term is 1, second term is 1, third term is 1, and so on. Common difference D is equal. Already we discussed in previous. A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 means 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And also A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. In both the cases, D value equal. So therefore, it forms an AP. Similarly, common ratio R is equal to A2 by A1. That is equal to 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Similarly, A3 by A2 is equal to 1 by 1. That is equal to 1. In both the cases, common ratio is equal. Therefore, it is GP. In both the cases, it is AP and GP. So, therefore, we can say I agree with Radha. Now, let us discuss previous problem from 2018 June. For the AP, -3, -7, -11 and so on, can we find directly A30 minus A20 without actually finding A30 and A20? That means we have to find directly A30 minus A20. That is the difference between 30th term and 20th term. Without calculating individually 30th term and 28th term. Here, first we have to find common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. Second term minus first term. Second term minus 7 minus of first term minus 3. Minus 7 plus 3 is equal to minus 4. This is common difference. Now we need A30 minus A20. Here we know the formula nth term An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That means by substituting n value 30, A30 is equal to A plus n minus 1. 30 minus 1, 29D, and by substituting n value 20, A20 is equal to A plus 20 minus 1, 19D. So, A30 minus A20 is equal A plus 29D minus of A plus 19D. That is A plus 29D minus A minus 19D. Plus A minus A get cancelled. 29D minus 19D is 10D. That is equal to 10 into D value minus 4. 10 into minus 4 minus 40. Now let us discuss previous problem from 2017 March. In a GP, Tn is equal to minus 1 power n into 2017. Find the common ratio. Now, given that Tn means nth term is equal to minus 1 power n into 2017. For finding common ratio, we need any two successive terms. That means we need T1 and T2. For T1, take n is equal to 1. So, minus 1 to the power of 1 into 2070. Minus 1 to the power of 1 means minus 1. So, minus 2070. Similarly, T2 is equal to minus 1 to the power of 2 into 2017. Minus 1 square is plus 2017, that is 2017. Now, common ratio R is equal to second term by first term. Second term 2017, first term minus 2017. 2017 get cancelled, remaining minus 1. This is the required common ratio. So in this way we can find easily, and few more previous problems we will discuss in part 2. Thank you.